Once upon a time, in a bustling city filled with dreams and aspirations, there lived a young student named Alex. From a tender age, Alex had harbored a burning desire to become a renowned architect. Their mind was filled with visions of grand structures, awe-inspiring skylines, and the joy of creating something that would stand the test of time. However, as time went by, their passion for architecture gradually dimmed. In the age of social media and constant distractions, Alex found solace in the virtual world. Their days were consumed by endless scrolling, mesmerized by the lives of others and the allure of instant gratification. They would promise themselves to study, to devote time to their craft, but the pull of social media was too strong to resist. Their dreams faded into the background, overshadowed by a constant feed of captivating posts. One fateful afternoon, while rummaging through old belongings, Alex stumbled upon a dusty box tucked away in the corner of their room. Curiosity piqued, they opened it to find a collection of old sketchbooks and architectural magazines from their childhood. As they flipped through the pages, memories flooded back, the excitement of creating intricate building designs, the joy of experimenting with different styles, and the determination to make their mark on the world. A profound sense of regret washed over Alex, realizing how far they had strayed from their true calling. In that moment, they made a decision, an unwavering resolve, to reclaim their forgotten dream. The next day, they bid farewell to the virtual distractions and set forth on a path of redemption. Alex sought guidance from their old mentor, an experienced architect who had recognized their talent from a young age. With humility, Alex explained their predicament and shared their burning desire to resurrect their architectural ambitions. The mentor, wise and understanding, offered a supportive hand and became an invaluable source of inspiration. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Alex immersed themselves in their studies, devouring books, attending workshops, and honing their skills. They resolutely embraced the challenges, knowing that every hurdle brought them closer to their true purpose. Slowly but surely, their love for architecture reignited, and their creativity began to flourish once again. As time passed, word of Alex's dedication and remarkable progress spread throughout the architectural community. Esteemed professionals recognized their talent and offered opportunities to work on real projects, providing the much-needed exposure and experience. Alex's dreams, once lost amidst the scrolling screens, were now vivid and tangible, taking shape in the real world. With every structure they designed, Alex infused their passion, determination, and a sense of fulfillment. Their journey served as a beacon of hope for others who had lost their way. They inspired fellow dreamers to look beyond the allure of social media and rediscover the beauty of pursuing their true passions. Alex's story became a testament to the transformative power of self-reflection and the unwavering pursuit of one's dreams. They stood as a reminder that no matter how far we may wander, our forgotten dreams can always be rekindled with determination, dedication, and a belief in ourselves. And so, Alex, the architect who emerged from the depths of a forgotten dream, etched their mark on the city skyline, reminding all who gazed upon their creations that the pursuit of our true passions is a journey worth taking.